Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for April 16 to 30, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang po. Okay, Gemini, let's see what's coming to you. Update, mid-April for Gemini. Okay. There's some sort of celebration. Maaring may mga new beginnings, no? Nagsisimula para sa inyo. This can be related sa inyong trabaho, sa career, sa business, sa finances ninyo. Kasi meron ditong blessing. Blessing of endings and new beginnings. So, a transformation, pagbabago. So, maaring may kailangang magtapos para magsimula ang panibagong kabanata. So, your overall energy is the Three of Cups. So, this is a celebration. Ngayong second half ng April, maaring medyo magiging busy ka, connecting with other people, attending mga parties, no? Or mga reunion, or outing with friends, no? Most of you sa mga kaibigan to. And this is also about networking, pagpapalawak ng iyong community. Some of you naman, meron kayong achievement, no? Maaring achievement to sa inyong trabaho na may nagsisimula, no? It can be a new job offer or parang bagong simula sa trabaho mo, like pwedeng bagong posisyon sa trabaho. So, your challenge is the Four of Cups. Okay. So, kahit na may mga blessings na dumarating, may mga pagkakataon pa rin na parang feeling mo may kulang or feeling mo it could have been better, no? But this energy is telling you na to be more grateful for the blessings na meron ka. Kasi maaring meron ding opportunity ngayon na hindi mo nakikita kasi tinitingnan mo kung ano yung kulang sa'yo, ano yung wala. So, maaring ito, merong offer of love, offer of a new career or a business, but you are more focused on other things. Okay? So, maganda na magkaroon ka ng focus sa mga goals mo and be more vigilant and yung parang attentive ka sa mga possibilities na pwedeng mangyari sa paligid mo. And yung mga opportunities na pinipresenta sa'yo. Okay? So, for your opportunity, speaking of opportunity, King of Wands, meron kang creative opportunity, especially if this is related to your career, your talents, your skills, your abilities. It seems na meron ka pang i-explore about yourself. Some of you, exploration to sa ibang bansa. Aling susubo kayo magtrabaho sa ibang bansa. May opportunity kayo dyan. Pwede ring may offer ang isang kaibigan na, uy, Gemini, subukan mo to. Maganda yung work ko dito, baka magustuhan mo, try mo rin, ganon. Or maaring ikaw mismo yung nagre-reach out sa kanila na, baka, matulungan mo ko, ganyan, na maipasok sa ganyang trabaho, or makapagsimula ng negosyo. So, it's like, more on a collaborative energy. Oo. So, makakatulong sa'yo ang mga kaibigan, connections mo, para ma-improve mo ang iyong life, ang iyong lifestyle. Yung iba, merong entrepreneurial energy. So, ibig sabihin is, pagdating sa pagnenegosyo, meron kayong kakayanan, no, na mapagtagumpayan ang negosyong papasukin nyo if you are open to new ideas. Okay? Kasi mukhang meron kang bagong idea ngayon na gusto mo pang lalong pag-aralan, no? Kumbaga, you want to see the possibilities and pinag-aaralan mo yung pros and cons kung ito ba ay posible mong gawin na ngayon or sa ibang panahon, kung handa ka na ba. Oo. So, your blessing is the Death card, which is transformation, major change. It's like a brand new you. You are being reborn. Okay? Maaring iba sa inyo, merong iiwan ng trabaho, business career, or even relationship na sa tingin mo, hindi na siya nakakatulong sa pag-unlad mo, sa pagpapalago ng iyong mga layunin sa buhay, no? So, ngayon, you are letting that go. You are opening up to a new experience. And it seems na gusto mo to, no? Oo. It seems na open ka to transformation. At dahil dyan sa transformation na yan, merong magsisimula para sa'yo, especially sa career, okay? With the Ace of Pentacles, Page of Swords, maaring yung iba sa inyo nagre-research kung paano magsimula ng bagong negosyo. Can be self-employment for some of you. Anything rin related to technology, online business, online career, mga pagkakakitaan online So, maaring yan yung inaaral nyo ngayon. Example, digital marketing, virtual assistants, na any trabaho na you can do it at the comfort of your home or through the internet using your laptop, your computer, ganon. So, let's see what else. You also have, celebration talaga. It's time to celebrate your hard work and even your small wins. So, maaring meron kang mga small achievements, no? Yung tinatawag na small wins. I-celebrate mo yan kasi yan yung magsaserve as an inspiration mo to do better, to work harder, to focus on your goals. Maari ring meron daw unexpected income or pay raise. So, yung iba sa inyo, may celebration kasi tumaas yung sweldo nyo, may increase. Maaring meron ding pagdating sa sales, no? Kung kayo ay nasa business, tumaas yung sales ninyo. Ayan. So, in making decisions in your business or career, follow your gut feel, your instincts. So, kung may mga pagkakataon na nahihirapan kayong mag-decide, tap into your instinct, into your intuition. Minsan kasi hindi siya kailangang logical or hindi siya kailangang practical. It's about saan ka nililid ng iyong higher self, okay? So, for your love life, you have the Knight of Cups and the Six of Pentacles. So, I see you having a relationship na balanced. Maaring your person is very supportive sa mga gusto mong gawin, sa career mo, or it's also you na supportive sa yung person. And if you are single, I see someone na nanunuyo or maaring merong potential ang relationship na to na maging seryoso. Someone who's very generous, no? Maaring you are connecting with someone na mahilig magregalo, someone also provides act of service. So, yung parang kanyang love language, act of service. Yung tipong pagluluto ka or kung ano yung kailangan mo, gagawin niya. Yes. And I think, if you are in a relationship with this person, talagang may care, may pag-aalala, may pag-aaruga, may nurturing energy rito. Diba? May trust, expectation. So, importante lang talaga that you trust the person that you are dealing with and open kayo sa mga expectations nyo sa isa't isa. Oo. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng mag-i-expect sa isang tao na ikaw lang nakakaalam. Mas maganda na ipinapaalam mo yung expectations mo. Same with the other person. Alam mo rin dapat yung expectations sa'yo ng person mo para maiwasan ang misunderstanding. Ayan. Wow. So, may grace, grasya. Blessings are coming into your life, especially in your health. So, kung kayo yung nagkaroon ng issue sa kalusugan ninyo, ngayong second half ng April, you will be blessed with good health. Okay? And maaring iba sa inyo, physical healing, no? Kung nagkaroon kayo ng sakit ng mga nakaraan. And this is also an energy of asking you na mag-focus rin sa inyong kalusugan. Kasi nga, health is wealth, 'di ba? Focusing on your health will also bring you more opportunities. Kasi, malakas kayo, no? Malakas yung pangangatawan mo. And hindi lang sa physical yan. This is also about your mental, spiritual, and emotional health. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye!